Are you tired of working in a messy shop environment that requires multiple cleaning products to tackle tough grease and grime? So were we. That's why the team at Malco Automotive developed Duplex heavy-duty cleaning wipes. These dual-sided wipes have a textured side to scrub away grease, oil, tar, dirt, and grime, and a smooth side to wipe the surface clean. Duplex wipes are a citrus-based lanolin formula that will not leave behind a residue and is safe for hands. The wipes work on most hard surfaces, including stainless steel, aluminum, hard plastic, formica, granite, and marble. They are even safe for leather and vinyl. Use them in your garage or shop to clean workbenches, cabinets, tools, equipment, wheels, automotive, boat, or RV exteriors. Use them in your home on countertops, grills, appliances, and bathroom or kitchen surfaces. Use them to clean your hands after completing a messy job. No matter what the mess is, clean it up with Malco Duplex heavy-duty cleaning wipes.